from Tempe, and we're coming into your living rooms. Look at that, the wonders of modern technology.
We are so happy to endorse Forever Living products as integral part to, healthy living.
You speak and we listen. And this year we are going to respond to your request. Are you guys ready to hear the new products? Loved it!
Quality is always number one, and I'll tell you, we will not let you down.
Be authentic. Be your own best customer.
Under promise and over deliver.
So simple. One product today equals 4 cc of retail.
Look at how well you've done. Look how you've been able to come together as a team and persevere. Keep that big picture. You're doing a lot to help people by getting these great products into their hands so they can use them to improve their lives.
Look at that big smile. I love that.
There's no secret to success in Forever. It comes from the combination of passion and perseverance.
Now let's recognize some of the top 10 countries. $1,415,000. $18,773,295.
Achieved things together. We do it together. I'm so excited about the possibilities which lie ahead of this year. Please grasp this opportunity with both hands. This has the possibility to be our best year ever, but it will take passion and perseverance from us all. And I promise we bring that to you.
I love Forever!